Hello again, this is Jerry with Aqua Pool Supply. Today we're here to talk about some of the more common pop-up heads that we have in the industry today. These are A&A, which is also powered by Pentair. These are what they are called is G4Vs. They have holes at the top versus the older style are just called G4s. Nothing on top. So a lot of commonly questions we get is how do we adjust the G4s for being on the step, being in the deep end, being in the middle, which is low, medium, typically high, and a max flow. Pull it out of the bag, pop it up. Top right here, you twist it, and the top comes out. Everything has different size holes for the gallons per minute that you want to use. You select the one you want, put it back in here, lock that tight, and you have now changed your flow. And now you can install this into your pool. You can contact us via email. You can go to our website, aquapoolsupply.com, or you can go to any one of our locations in Las Vegas, Phoenix, Scottsdale, and Chandler. My name is Jerry. Have a great day.